What's going on, traders? Another day, another dollar. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. As you guys can see with my current position on GoPro with 440 shares at an average price of $8.39. Boom, boom, boom. Let's look at actually the break of $8.54. There we go. Just made new highs of day. Followed the stop loss. Actually, scratch that. Let's look at the opportunity cost. What does GoPro have to offer? Well, actually, I might want to make this as a swing trade, so I'm going to have to hold it for a couple of days. 2.5% up on the day. Let's look at what it offers within the past couple of days. Looks like it offers a little bit over 13% potential for profit. 180-day analysis. Looks like it offers a little bit over 20% potential for profit. $1,000 seems much better than a couple $100. I'm up a little bit over $100. Gonna follow up next week with that 1K profit. Gotta go, team. Gotta make that money.